Rich Dad, Poor Dad, 5-part English summary.
Part 1. Two Dads, the Rich Mentality and the Poor Mentality. Welcome to Part 1 of our summary of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. In this book, Robert Kiyosaki grows up with two father figures, his real father, Poor Dad, and his best friend's father, Rich Dad. Rich Dad is educated, hardworking, and responsible, but he struggles financially. Rich Dad, on the other hand, didn't even finish 8th grade, yet he became a millionaire. The core message of Part 1 is this: your mindset about money shapes your future. Rich Dad teaches, work hard, get a secure job, climb the career ladder. Rich Dad teaches, learn how money works, build wealth, make money work for you. This first lesson forms the foundation of the entire book. It's not schooling that creates wealth, but financial education.
Part 2. Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. In Part 2, Kiyosaki explains Rich Dad's first major lesson. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. Most people trade time for money. They work because of fear of being broke, fear of losing their job. Rich Dad teaches the opposite. Don't chase a paycheck, chase opportunities to build assets. He explains that emotional reactions like fear and greed trap people in the rat race. If you learn to manage emotions and think long-term, you can spot opportunities others miss. This chapter reminds us that wealth starts with changing your relationship with money. Part 3, Lesson 2, Mind Your Own Business, The Power of Assets. Summary script. In Part 3, the book introduces one of its most famous ideas: mind your own business. Your job is not your business. Your business is your asset column. Rich people focus on building assets such as real estate, stocks and bonds, intellectual property, businesses, royalties. Poor and middle-class people focus on liabilities that feel like assets, such as big houses, car loans, credit card payments. The lesson is simple. Assets put money into your pocket. Liabilities take money out. Your path to financial freedom starts with accumulating assets, slowly, consistently, deliberately.
Part 4 emphasizes why financial education is the real key to wealth. Kiyosaki states that it's not how much money you earn, but how much you keep and how effectively you use it. Rich Dad teaches Robert that the financially educated understand accounting, investing, markets, law and taxes, risk management. These skills help the rich legally reduce taxes, invest wisely, and seize opportunities. The takeaway is clear. Financial literacy is the great equalizer. Anyone can learn it, and anyone can become wealthy with it. Part 5. Lesson 5. Work to learn, not to earn. Summary script. In the final part of our summary, Kiyosaki shares Rich Dad's last major lesson: work to learn, not to earn. Most people choose jobs for money. The rich choose jobs for the skills they gain. Skill sets like sales and communication, management, marketing, investing, and leadership. These skills help you build your own business or investment system rather than staying dependent on a paycheck. The book ends with a call to action. Take responsibility for your financial future. Invest in your mind first. The money will follow.